Hi, this is a quick demo on how to use monitor secrets and bearer tokens and API keys for monitoring checks with OneUptime and how to store those secrets safely as well. So if I click on this as a demo project, so please ignore like eight active incidents up top. But if I click on monitors, I should be able to create a new monitor. I could say API description. Let's select the type as API. API.com. This actually doesn't exist honestly, so this is a temporary URL just for this demo. But if I click on request headers, it it guides me. You can use secrets here as well. So I could use secrets in request headers and request body. So if I click on this link, I basically go to this documentation page, and this is it's a documentation on how to add a secret and how to use a secret, which I'll get to in a moment. But if I go back, what I can say is, let's say I want to send in an API key in request header. I can actually do API key, and I can do things like monitor secrets API key. So this secret is not defined so far. So what we'll do is we'll actually define the secret after we create this monitor. So this is the request body. I leave it currently leave it blank because it's a demo. But the idea is if I go all the way down, click on next, set monitoring interval to every minute, click on create monitor. This monitor should blow up because that URL doesn't exist. But the idea is when I have this, if you click on view monitor, and if I click on criteria, I have this thing called monitor secrets API key. How do I define the secret in the project? So if I click on more, we actually copy the secret name, click on more, click on project settings, and if I scroll up all the way to secrets, I can actually create a new secret here. So I can say API key, my secret. This will be encrypted and stored securely in the in the database. You will not be able to see it, or you will not be able to edit it, or you'll not be able to update it after you create it. So please make sure this is properly created, and after you store it, you'll not be able to edit it, access it, or read it as well. I can select which monitor has access to the secret. Currently I only have one monitor, so I can select this particular monitor, click on create secret. The key is the name of the secret. If I click on monitor, it's offline because that URL doesn't exist, but anyway, so the name of the secret, and this should match. If this doesn't match, or if the monitor doesn't have access to that secret, the request header will not be passed. Please make sure if this that's a really quick demo. If there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.